Have you ever seen the locust lean his wings right after a plague, like a sending of a dark cloud in the sunlight to end the day, to kill the sunlight to end the day? Yes, it will follow the rain. Will he ever quite understand that it will follow the rain? I said, oh my friend, it will follow the rain. Have you ever seen your baby getting caught by the lonesome wind, and the whistling round the corners telling you they have let her in? Separation can now begin. Yes, it will follow now the rain. I said, oh my friend, it will follow the rain. Seen the far side of a mountain swallow the sky as you travel through the valley, as you're speeding still far behind, through the valley where lovers climb, but where the children will look inside.